Hey guys, welcome back to Social Net. In today's video, I'll show you how you can register for Santander online banking account. If you want to access your financial transactions and account histories from anywhere and anytime online, then registering for your online banking account could be the best decision. The process to register for your online banking account is pretty simple, secure and straightforward. In order to get started, all you have to do is watch this video very carefully and follow the simple steps. First, go to any browser on your desktop. On the search field, go and search for santander.co.uk. Then you will land onto an interface like this. So in order to register, you can go to the top right corner and you can see the register option here right next to Logon. So tap on it. And you are directed to another page where it says that you require a mobile phone number, debit or credit card number and a banking, saving, mortgage account number in order to register for an online banking. If you already have this required documents, then go and tap and continue. Now it takes you to a personal detail page where you have to enter your first name, last name, date of birth and UK postcode. Once you fill up this detail, go and tap and continue. And then you will land onto the verification page where you have to verify your identity. Then once you have verified your identity, you will be directed to another page where you have to create a username and a password for your online banking account. Once you have created a username and password for yourself, go and tap and continue. Then you will have successfully registered for your online banking on Santander Bank. And when the time comes to log on to Santander Bank account, then you can log in with your username and your created password. So this will be it for today guys. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the like button if the video was helpful. Subscribe to the channel and stay updated for more videos like this. Bye bye.